Welcome to the Kent County Purchasing Division. The purpose of this tutorial is to provide information on how to do business with Kent County and to provide an overview of how to access other purchasing-related information available to you. Let's begin by navigating to the Kent County Purchasing Division's website, located at www.accesskent.com/purchasing. The website is updated frequently and contains valuable information for bidders. First, you can view all current bid opportunities and place bids electronically by selecting the Bid Opportunities link. Respondents are not required to pre-qualify, create an account, pay a fee, or complete a vendor registration before placing bids. The Purchasing Division makes every effort to publish bid documents that are understandable and easy to read and navigate. Second, you can view a tentative bid schedule by selecting the Bid Schedule link. This is where you will find a list of future solicitations and an approximate date of when they will be bid. Buyer contact information is provided should you wish to discuss an upcoming opportunity. You may also complete the optional vendor registration process to receive an email notice when the bid is published. Third, solicitation tabulation sheets and award statuses are posted on the solicitation status page. You can search award statuses and tabulation sheets of past solicitations. Next, you are able to complete and maintain a vendor registration with Kent County. Once you finish this registration, you will begin receiving email notifications when new business opportunities are published. This process is free, takes less than 10 minutes to complete, and is not required prior to placing bids with Kent County. Next is the Vendor Resources link. This page contains purchasing documents such as policies and procedures and commodity information, bidder resources such as the county's standard terms and conditions, and vendor insurance requirements, as well as other short subject-specific tutorials such as this one. Finally, you can search for and view most purchasing documents at no charge by selecting the Purchasing Documents icon. Available documents include past purchase orders, solicitation responses, and tabulation sheets. By utilizing this page, in most instances, the time and expense of submitting a Freedom of Information Act request is eliminated. However, if you are unable to find what you are looking for, you can submit a Freedom of Information Act request for the specific document by clicking on the Submit Online FOIA request icon. Keep in mind that FOIA requests are billable and you will not receive your information immediately as you do when using the Purchasing Documents feature. If you have any questions about any of the features of our website, you can speak directly with the Kent County Purchasing Division by calling 616-632-7720 between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or by emailing purchasing@kentcountymi.gov. The Purchasing Division staff makes every effort to answer the phone and respond to general inquiries. The Kent County Purchasing Division is committed to fostering fair competition with the objective of obtaining the lowest overall cost for the citizens of Kent County for the goods and services we purchase. We are hopeful this and other purchasing tutorials encourage you to participate in future Kent County business opportunities. Thank you.